Hey, so I wanted to show you how I've got my phone set up to where it's wirelessly charging and also CarPlay is fully functional wirelessly. The way I'm doing that is a couple of different components. Actually, right here is the wireless charger, which uses a MagSafe case, and it just hooks on just like that. So no cables, right? That is plugged into one of the USB ports here. It's where it's getting its power for charging. Also, what's in here is this little box right here, small box. I'm not sure quite how you pronounce it, Haiha, something like that. About $75. It's plugged into the USB port here for CarPlay. Okay, you pretty much connect to that with Bluetooth on your phone, and then your phone will relay the CarPlay through that, and it works great. I've also here, just noting, I use a Dremel to make these wires easier to come out. Okay, so we'll start the Sprinter. And actually came on really quickly that time because I've been connected to it a little while ago. Normally it'll be a black screen that comes up for a little bit, and you would then just hit CarPlay on the dash. Sometimes you don't even need to, and it'll connect to the phone that way. So anyway, here's a good change station to show you how that works. So. Responds pretty quickly, just like if you had a cable. Go to Waze, right? You can zoom around, you can do whatever you normally would do, right? Works fine. So what's a little bit quirky is that when you're connected to this thing, it uses Bluetooth to initially set up the connection, but then I noticed even if Bluetooth is off, it uses your Wi-Fi radio on your phone to keep the connection. A little strange, because when you go to your Wi-Fi connections, it doesn't show that it's actually connected. It just lists the little box up there as an available Wi-Fi hotspot, but it's not actually connected, at least as far as your phone thinks. So a little strange how the connectivity works, but it works fine. I think that's not a big deal. And then the wireless portion is great because, as you see here, the phone is, zoom in here, the phone is charging, right? It's all through that ring, hooks on here. Just kind of find this hooks on. It's got kind of a centering. You'll feel when it hooks on there just right, and then it's pretty stable. The mount I have attached here, I'll put links to all this stuff in the description, but it comes with a little plastic plate that goes wherever. Now the Sprinter dashboard, it's a real pain for mounting accessories because there's hardly any flat areas to it, and the plastic is such that even after cleaning with alcohol, it seems to really not, it's hard to stick things to it long term. I don't know, I've got to figure that out. For now though, I found the flattest area, which is right in here, and has some tape on the back, peel it off, stick it on, and it's okay. I may have to reinforce that with some 3M VHB tape eventually, but right now it's fine. It's got a little telescoping arm here and a ball head. You can rotate that around. I'm waiting for the gear rail to come out, version 2, which uses your cup holders, and it puts a carbon fiber bar that comes up here, up and around. And I think I'll move to mounting it that way whenever that is available in the next couple of months. But for now, this is great. I can take my phone with me, hop out of the van, get back in, put it right there, and it's charging and CarPlay is enabled. So I'm really happy with it for the price. So this mount was about $35. The little box inside here, the CarPlay adapter, was about $75 on sale, I think. Normally they're around $100. So not bad, around $100 for the whole thing. All right, hopefully that was helpful. If I come across any issues or whatnot, I'll put it in the description. I'm sorry, in the comments. And if you have any questions, feel free to ping me in the comments there as well. All right, thank you.